All about farm animals. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, clover, and hay. Fun fact, cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn, and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. Horses sleep standing up. A baby pig is called a piglet. Wild pigs will eat leaves, roots, fruit, and rodents. Fun fact, pigs can't sweat. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. Fun fact, sheep have rectangular pupils. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. Fun fact, chickens dream when they sleep. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay, and grains. Fun fact, goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw.